Hey there, future bankers! Are you gearing up for those challenging bank exams? Well, I've got something awesome to share with you that can skyrocket your preparation. Free mock tests for both prelims and mains exams. Yes, you heard that right. Absolutely free. Welcome to our community of bank exam aspirants. Now, let's dive into why these mock tests are essential for your success. First off, mock tests give you a realistic exam experience. They help you gauge your preparation and highlight those areas where you need to put in a bit more effort. Think about it. Time management is crucial in bank exams, right? These mock tests train you to manage your time effectively, so you can attempt all sections within the given time. And believe me, practicing under timed conditions will make you faster and more efficient. But that's not all. Regular mock tests also reduce exam anxiety. Familiarizing yourself with the exam format boosts your confidence and reduces stress on the big day. You'll walk into that exam hall feeling prepared and calm. Mock tests also allow for targeted improvement. They reveal your weak spots so you can focus on specific topics or sections. This personalized approach maximizes your learning outcomes. Plus, you'll see improvements in your speed and accuracy over time. So how do you use these free mock tests effectively? First, make regular practice a habit. Set a schedule and stick to it. Treat each mock test like a real exam. After each test, analyze your results thoroughly. Identify your weak areas, revise the concepts, and learn from your mistakes. Explore different platforms offering free mock tests. Check out websites like SmartKida, Guidely, Kraku, and YesMock. This will expose you to a variety of question types and difficulty levels. And remember, create a distraction-free environment while taking these tests to simulate actual exam conditions. Combine these mock tests with other study materials. Use textbooks, online resources, and previous year's question papers for a comprehensive approach. Now let's talk about improving your marks in bank exams. Focus on building a strong foundation in core concepts. Practice mental calculations to save valuable time. Learn time-saving tricks and shortcuts for quick problem-solving. For English proficiency, read newspapers and practice writing regularly. And develop concentration techniques like mindfulness and meditation. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking free mock tests today. Join our community of learners and let's support each other in achieving our goals. Together, we can improve our marks and succeed in the bank exams. Ready to boost your bank exam scores? Check out resources like SmartKida, Guidely, Kraku, and YesMock. Consistent practice and self-assessment are the keys to success. Let's do this together. See you in the next video.